Build anything with NotebookLM? Here's how. Google just dropped something insane. You can now build videos, podcasts, mind maps, and full reports in minutes. No coding, completely free, and it's better than most paid tools. NotebookLM just got a massive upgrade, and most people have no idea what this thing can actually do. I'm talking about turning your docs, PDFs, even YouTube videos into full podcasts, narrated video slideshows, mind maps, quizzes, and detailed reports, all free, all powered by Google's latest Gemini 3 model. And here's the best part, it doesn't hallucinate like other AI tools because everything it creates is grounded in your actual sources. So what is NotebookLM? Think of it as your personal AI research assistant that can handle up to 300 sources at once. You can upload PDFs, Google Docs, sheets, images, paste URLs, connect your Google Drive, and it processes everything instantly. The big update everyone's talking about is deep research. This feature actually browses the web for you in fast or deep mode, creates structured reports, and imports all those sources directly into your notebook. Then you can use those sources to build whatever you want. Let me show you exactly how to use this. Imagine you want to create a complete content system that attracts new members, showcases AI automation, and positions the community as the go-to place for learning AI business tools. Here's how we do it step by step. First, go to notebooklm.google.com and sign in with your Google account, create a new notebook, and name it something like AI Profit Boardroom Content System. Now you're going to add sources, click the plus button, and you can upload files, paste URLs, or use the new deep research feature. Let's say you want to create content about how AI automation saves time for business owners. You click deep research, type in something like latest AI automation tools for entrepreneurs 2025, choose deep mode and let it scan the web. It'll come back with a full report and all the sources it found. Those sources are now in your notebook ready to use. But here's where it gets powerful. You can also upload your own documents. Let's say you have a PDF about the benefits of joining the AI Profit Boardroom, testimonials from members, case studies of people who automated their businesses, and a list of AI tools you teach. Upload all of that. Now NotebookLM has everything it needs to create content that's specific to your community. Now comes the fun part, prompts and personas. This is where most people mess up. They just hit generate and hope for the best. Don't do that. You need to steer NotebookLM with specific prompts. Here's an example. Create a beginner-friendly tutorial explaining how the AI Profit Boardroom helps entrepreneurs automate their marketing. Include 3 real examples of automation workflows. Make it simple and actionable. See how specific that is. You're telling it the audience, the goal, and the format. You can also assign personas. Click on the chat and say something like, "You are an expert AI automation consultant who has helped hundreds of businesses save time and increase leads." Explain concepts simply and focus on practical results. Now, every answer NotebookLM gives you will match that voice. And listen, I need to tell you something important. If you're serious about learning how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like NotebookLM, you need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we go deeper. We show you the exact systems. We're not just talking about tools. We're showing you how to implement them step by step so you can actually see results. Check the link in the description. All right, back to NotebookLM. And here's a pro tip. Whenever NotebookLM gives you a great answer, save it as a note in the notebook. This builds your knowledge base and makes future outputs even better. All right, here's where it gets really exciting. The Studio panel. This is your one-click content factory. Click on Studio at the top and you'll see all the things you can build. Let's start with mind maps. Click Build Mind Map and NotebookLM will visualize all the connections between your sources. For the AI Profit Boardroom, you could create a mind map showing how different AI tools connect to save time, from content creation to email automation to customer service. Share this as a free resource to attract new members. Next, quizzes and flashcards. These are perfect for engagement. Click Build Quiz and set it to 20 questions, medium difficulty. NotebookLM will pull from your sources and create questions like, what are 3 benefits of AI automation for small businesses? Or how can AI tools help with content creation? Use these in your community to test knowledge and keep members active. Now let's talk about the game changer, video overviews. Click Build Video Overview and customize it. You can change the language, add a steering prompt like focus on how AI automation specifically helps online entrepreneurs grow faster, and hit generate. NotebookLM will create a fully narrated video slideshow based on your sources. No cameras, no editing, just a professional narrated video explaining your content. Imagine creating a video overview of the top 10 AI tools for the AI Profit Boardroom, what each tool does and how members can use them. You didn't film anything, you didn't hire anyone, you just uploaded your sources and clicked a button. Wait, there's more. Let's talk about audio overviews, which most people call the podcast feature. Click Build Audio Overview, and NotebookLM creates a two-host conversation-style podcast discussing your sources. It sounds incredibly natural. You could create a podcast episode about the latest AI updates for automation, upload your research, and boom, you have a full episode. Post it on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube, wherever. Now you're building an entire media brand with one tool. Here's where this gets really smart for the AI Profit Boardroom. You can repurpose everything. Take one deep research report on AI automation trends. From that one report, build a mind map, a quiz, a video overview, an audio podcast, a study guide, and an FAQ document. That's 6 pieces of content from one source. Post the video on YouTube, the podcast on Spotify, the mind map on Instagram, the quiz in your community, and the FAQ on your website. You just created a week's worth of content in 30 minutes. Let's talk advanced use cases. Deep research is incredible for competitor analysis. Let's say you want to see what other AI communities are doing. Use deep research, type in top AI automation communities 2025, let it scan, and you'll get a full report on competitors, what they offer, their pricing, their content. Now you know exactly how to position the AI Profit Boardroom differently. You can also use NotebookLM for client reports if you run an agency like I do. Upload client data, industry research, performance metrics, and generate a professional report in minutes. Add charts from Google Sheets, customize the output, and send it. This works for any business, consultants, coaches, agencies, content creators. Everyone can use this. And here's something cool, multilingual support. NotebookLM now outputs in over 50 languages. So if you want to expand the AI Profit Boardroom globally, you can create content in Spanish, French, German, whatever your audience speaks. Same sources, different languages. That's powerful. Now, let me give you some pro tips. First, always verify your citations. NotebookLM is grounded in your sources, so it's accurate, but you still want to double check important facts. Second, integrate Google Drive. This makes your workflow seamless. All your docs, sheets, and files sync automatically. Third, export everything. NotebookLM lets you download your mind maps, reports, quizzes, all of it. Use them wherever you need. Here's a challenge for you. After watching this video, go build your first mind map on NotebookLM. Pick any topic related to your business, upload some sources, and hit generate. Then comment below and tell me what you built. I want to see what you create. And before we wrap up, let me give you one more tip. The data tables feature, this is brand new. You can now create structured tables from your sources. So if you upload a bunch of case studies about AI automation, NotebookLM can organize them into a table with columns like tool name, use case, results, and cost. This makes it so easy to compare options and make decisions fast. Here's the bottom line. NotebookLM is free, it's powerful, and it's only getting better with the Gemini 3 upgrade. You can build videos, podcasts, mind maps, quizzes, reports, flashcards, and more without writing a single line of code. This is a content machine. So go to notebooklm.google.com right now and start building. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 40,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Don't sleep on this. NotebookLM is the future of content creation, and you just learned how to use it. Now go build something amazing.